Hey YouTube, so Paul and Daisy here, day 91, June 22nd, another Money Monday, and today I really want to talk about Robinhood, the trading app, and what I feel about it, and Abra, the crypto trading app that I use. So anyway, I just want to use this as as an experience of how I got involved with Robinhood. I started with it probably 3 to 4 years ago. And I liked it. It was just a tool, and I thought it was going to be this great day trader. I went and took the Ross Cameron lessons and all that stuff, and I was on like Donkey Kong. But I learned very quickly that Robinhood was just a tool, just like anything else. I'm a professional carpenter by trade, finished carpenter, and so when you use my tools, I'm proficient with them, and I'm very, very good with them actually, and I'm hard to beat. You couldn't beat me at him. Just like Ross, he can't be beat, but he doesn't use Robinhood because it's not a tool for day trading. And you got to understand that. You got to understand what these tools are how they're meant to be used. So Robinhood is a great, it's a great app, and it's a lot of fun. And and if you use it that way and like use it for news and stuff like that, it can be a lot of fun and an experience, and a couple of friends. You guys can all enjoy it. But I don't use Robinhood because it's just not my style of trading. It's not what I want to do. And you can't even buy like Planet 13 as a stock that I'm heavily invested in. I know probably 11,000 to 12,000 shares of it. And I'll continue to buy it, especially on the big pullbacks. And you can't buy it on Robinhood because it's a pink slip company. But it's also a company that has the potential to be very profitable, and they make a lot of money. And when you're buying stocks, you've got to be careful, and you've got to understand, you've got to know what tools to use and know what kind of trader you are. I'm an investment trader, long-term investment trader. I've learned that, and it's all I can be. I tried the day trading thing, and what doesn't work for me. And as a day trader, the Robinhood app didn't work. Also, now I trade cryptos, and there's a couple cryptos this week I bought. I bought $500 worth of Digibyte, and I bought $250 worth of XRP. Two completely different projects in two completely different scenarios. I buy Digibyte because it's a decentralized project, and for us to truly understand what that means is it's me, Paul Bates. I am my government. I am my freedom. I am everything with Digibyte. With XRP, I am not. XRP is completely 100% government controlled, just like CoinBase. That's why I don't like CoinBase and XRP, but I also know what they are and what they're about. And I think all of us that trade cryptos, we have a small percentage of XRP because there is that chance, and this is what my gut, honest to God, tells me, that we'll make a run, and XRP will make a run. It'll be short-lived, and when I say short-lived, I'm saying 10 years, and it'll be over with, because in the very, very end, and I'm talking 20 to 25 years from now, it'll all be decentralized. It will all be in decentralized projects, because to give it to the man, those one percenters, the people that control all of the wealth and all of the politicians and all of the big companies throughout the world, the way to truly take power out of their hand, and it's for us to be the true Robinhoods, you know what I'm saying? We have to go to the decentralized projects. If you want to go and buy XRP, then the government tracks you, they trace you, they know everything about you. If you want to, and that man, the man that controls all the puppets, the puppet master, when he's pulling the strings, the Donald Trump strings and all of their strings, he understands that he needs your dollars. And right now, our government is shaking in their boots. They really are, because Donald Trump does not talk about stimulus checks, because he understands that the printing the money and just throwing it into the economy, it doesn't do anything for our economy. It actually hurts it in the long run. He understands that. He knows that. He's in closed doors meetings talking about these different projects. And right now, his only choice is XRP. That's what he thinks anyway, and that's what he's going to go with, because he doesn't have a choice. He did not create this situation, but eventually he will sink into it, and it will go to XRP. That will be our cross-border payments. It will be everything. And yes, we probably will see XRP take off for a short, extended run of about 10 years, which is pretty accurate for a short-term fiat or a currency. And so we will see that. In my lifetime, we'll see that. But the true coins that are really going to make it are like the Digibytes, Bitcoins, Ethereum. These are all, even though they're decentralized and the government doesn't control them, there's still ledgers out there that you know every transaction. So it's and it's really hard to get around that. Even the guys that try and do all their little scams and stuff like that, it's pretty hard to do, and they're figuring it out very quickly. It's not like the stock market where the guy can go in and start a shitty company that'll never make any money and just take money from get it listed on Robinhood and then just take the money from the poor people and put it in his pockets and go buy his Ferrari and stuff like that. It's harder to do that with the digital assets with Digibyte, because it's all you just go to the ledger and you know what happened, the transaction, and it's public knowledge to everybody. Everybody has that ability, so it'll be spread all over there very quickly. So it's hard for the scammers to really scam. They can still do it, and they'll still take your crypto, so you got to be very careful with that. So it's just, you got to do your homework. It's just like anything else. So stocks I trade like Planet 13, cryptos that I trade like Digibyte. These are all companies that, not companies, because cryptos are not companies. I owned it. I'm as much of an owner of Digibyte as the next person, and so that's. I think in the end they win because it's the only way we can dethrone the corrupt governments, the man on the top that's pulling the strings. That's truly the way we can end it for once and for all. So, and I like Abra. I'm not going to put my links anymore because I'm not going to preach it. You guys do what you want. There's a lot of good people out here. Like, I'm going to leave a link right here for Chico Crypto. He's probably my favorite channel. I probably watch his. I think he posts one video a week, and I watch that video. And then there's guys like Kevin. Meet Kevin here last week. He did a video 2 or 3 weeks ago. I signed up for it. And I was able to put $4,000 in my pocket because of listening to him and watching him. Also, another guy I watched right here, I'll share a video with you. It's Mark Moss. I mean, the guy gets it, he understands it. He knows what's going on. Anyway, Paul Bates, peace out. We love you guys. We're going to try and post a Trawler video this week. I'm going to do less of my daily videos because I've got a lot of projects going on. And they require a lot of time, and it's getting hot out here, so I need to do those in the morning. So anyway, you will see less daily videos, but the videos that you do see will be more about talking about, like my solar project that I've got going on right now. It's a pretty big project going on, and we're trying to complete that, and we'll really start working on it this week. Anyway, love you guys. Peace out. Daisy, you gonna have a good week this week, huh? She's gonna work her dad for as many treats as she can possibly get. Love you guys. Peace out. Be good or be good at it. Thanks. Bye.